When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your home, few upgrades have as profound an impact as window replacement. In a city like Cayce, where homes range from charming older properties to modern constructions, the aesthetic value of your windows plays a crucial role in the overall appearance of your home. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to boost the visual appeal of your property, replacing your windows is an effective and cost-efficient way to improve your home's first impression. The importance of curb appeal. Curb appeal is the first impression that potential buyers, visitors, or even neighbors get of your home. It's the external allure that makes people stop, look, and feel invited. In Cayce, where tree-lined streets, historic neighborhoods, and new developments blend together, ensuring your home stands out is essential. Windows are one of the most noticeable features of a home, and when they're outdated, damaged, or inefficient, they can detract from your property's charm. How window replacement improves aesthetics. One of the most direct ways window replacement enhances curb appeal is by refreshing your home's exterior appearance. Older windows, especially those with cracked panes, outdated frames, or peeling paint, can make even the most beautiful home look tired and worn. New, modern windows, on the other hand, offer a crisp, clean appearance that instantly boosts the exterior's look. Window frames come in various materials such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, each offering a unique aesthetic that complements different architectural styles. Whether your home has a traditional, colonial look or a more contemporary design, the right windows can elevate your home's overall appearance. Replacing single-pane windows with energy-efficient double-pane windows can also add a modern touch that shows your commitment to comfort and sustainability. Enhancing natural light and views. Another way that window replacement improves curb appeal is by allowing more natural light into your home. Larger or strategically placed windows can make your home feel brighter and more inviting, both inside and out. In a place like Cayce, where the natural surroundings are beautiful, enhancing your home's views through new windows can create a more harmonious connection with the outdoors. For instance, if your current windows are small, drafty, or blocked by outdated designs, replacing them with bigger, more open options can provide an unobstructed view of your yard, garden, or the surrounding neighborhood. The play of light and the expansive views will not only improve the interior ambiance but also give your home a fresh, modern appeal from the street. Increasing home value. If you're considering selling your home in Cayce, window replacement can significantly boost its value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that are energy efficient, well-maintained, and aesthetically pleasing. New windows can signal to buyers that the home is in good condition and that they won't have to worry about the hassle and expense of window repairs or replacements in the near future. Energy-efficient windows can also be a selling point, as they help lower heating and cooling costs. As energy-conscious buyers become more common, showcasing windows that keep your home comfortable year-round without skyrocketing utility bills will add to the home's marketability and value. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. While curb appeal is essential, there are practical benefits to window replacement as well. Old, drafty windows are a common culprit for energy loss in many homes. Replacing them with newer, energy-efficient models can help to stabilize indoor temperatures by preventing heat from escaping in the winter and keeping cool air inside during the warmer months. This energy efficiency not only makes your home more comfortable but also reduces your utility bills, creating long-term savings. In addition to comfort, modern windows help minimize outside noise. If you live in a busier part of Cayce or near a major road, replacing your windows can reduce sound infiltration, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Final thoughts. Window replacement is an investment that enhances your home's curb appeal in many ways. It improves the exterior aesthetics, increases natural light and views, boosts home value, and enhances energy efficiency and comfort. Whether you're trying to sell your home or simply want to improve your living experience, investing in new windows is a surefire way to transform your property. In Cayce, where homes are often surrounded by natural beauty and unique architectural styles, replacing your windows can ensure that your home stands out for all the right reasons.